In this video, we'll see how you can buy crypto from Coinmarketcap. Complete your first purchase, you will need to select the coin which you buy on the exchange, and the exchange have trade section, and within this you will need to choose a coin such as BTC or ETC or another crypto assets are traded per the largest coin will have per that much, and the main government currency. This means that you can buy directly from USD and GBP and etc. into your coin. Choice purchase can you made, and that market price you can set price that you would like to buy at. You have set price below current market price. Deal may not be concluded for some time, or possible never. You only included the asset price. You have enter many smaller coin and assets not have be per currency buy or sell. This you will need to transaction via another asset, usually BTC stable coin based on US dollar. To do this, you should select coin, select BTC, and make your purchase. A few seconds later, your account will show you holding BTC as your deposit currency. Now you can select new trade using BTC, have the pair and exchange be conclude the next current coin to coin market rate. Thanks guys for watching.